What's up, y'all? Slaughter here. I got a video. We about to watch Snoop Dogg, 1996, showing his house somewhere in Cali. 1996. I'm gonna try my hardest. Well, you know what? I'm not gonna talk at all through this whole thing. But yeah, here we go.
Go ahead. It's too hard, but you still gotta try. You gonna make it one day, baby. It's too hard, but you still look. Watch. See, Snoop was used to be little like that too. Come on. You wanna pick you up?
So listen, not to be like lifestyles of the rich and famous, but we want to see if you could give us a tour of the house. Just show us around a little bit.
Yeah, I want to show y'all where my son practiced at, because he's going to be the first player to come out of junior high school to go in the NBA.
Is that right? Sports,
Yeah.
not music for Spank?
Sports, Spanky Loco. He let me do the music thing.
So before we go inside, I want to ask you about Claremont, where we are here. You've been out here like almost 3 years now?
Mm-hmm.
So how'd you decide on this part of California?
It's just cool. It's low-key. It's away from everything I can breathe. It's mountains. It's fresh air. Coyotes, and snakes, lizards, scorpions. And you can see, but the ghetto comes with me. Look at my house. Somebody threw eggs at my house. Look.
Really?
See?
Oh,
Snoop Dogg get the real deal done to him, too.
Wow. Oh, and here we got the back.
Yeah. This is the backyard right here. This Spanky Locos right here.
So, tell me, I hear you Spank maybe having a brother or sister next to you.
Yeah, he got a little Snoop coming in March. He got a little brother coming. That's why he getting so big, getting out the way.
Is that right?
Yeah.
So it's a boy?
Yeah,
no?
another son.
It's definitely,
Yeah,
that's
two
great,
sons
man.
that'll be
Congratulations.
Thank you. And I got also, see my other poo-poos over there?
I see that,
Flip the
yeah.
camera that way for a second.
See, they're not camera shy.
No, they not. That's coffee, Scrappy, Cream. No, I don't want to go all the way over there, Brian, because they act a fool when they see cameras. Then my babies over there, though. I love them.
Some puppies.
Hey, baby. They love their daddy.
Did you grow up with a lot of dogs in your family?
I always wanted dogs.
Oh, really?
We always stayed in apartments where we couldn't have dogs.
So now it's like
I get as
dog
many as I
crazy.
want, yeah, but the neighbors complain, say I can only have 3, but you see I don't pay me no attention.
Right. So do you want to have a big family? I know if you...
Yeah, I'm going to have a daughter one day, too. Probably when I finish this rap game all the way up, though.
All right, John.
I gotta let everybody know I've been down with the Lakers for years. I didn't just start being down with them because they got Shaq.
Wow, this is pretty
It's
awesome.
real deal over here, baby. And right here, go get your ball. Go get it. Right here, I got the retired numbers. Number 10, Norm Nixon.
Right?
Number 21, Michael Cooper. Number 32, Magic Johnson. Y'all know that.
Sometimes retired, sometimes not retired.
Yeah. But he retired in my book.
Sure.
Number 33, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar. Number 52, Jamal Wilkes. Them my Lakers stars right there. Now it's time for the new Lakers to put it down and make me put their retired numbers over there. You know what I'm saying? Shaq, we love you out here and all that. I'm showing y'all how down I am with y'all. Y'all come ball with me one of these weekends and do it up out here. Dog pound style. It's all in the wrist, Spank. It's all in the wrist. Oh, y'all need to put us in the Rockin' Jack
One-on-one.
celebrity game. Nate Dogg can come to the game with a brim on. Get 15 assists.
There you go, right there.
15. There you go. Look at it right there. Look at the tie. There you go. That's my starting point guard right there. Put us on the Rockin' Jack celebrity team. I'm putting the speech down right now. We need that spot.
And we don't take our hats off in the game.
No, we don't bow down.
We don't. Oh, look at the ball. See, I can't do this. This that Michael Jordan. I can't be in the camera shooting.
We all
Get
can.
the camera off my face.
Mention that we're going back inside.
All right, we're going to go back inside now. I just want to get you to show me the rest of the place. If you can.
Yeah, I'll briefly show you what's happening on the inside.
So this is nice. You even got the fish pond here.
Yeah, them piranhas in there.
Really?
Put your finger in there. No, I wouldn't want you to
They're
get bit.
kind of like goldfish for piranhas.
Yeah, they goldfish piranhas. They decoy you. They look like goldfish, but they piranhas.
Living room here?
Yeah, this is my section up here where I like to get real playful. See up there on the top of it?
Right.
I like to go back to the old school with like a lot of black art. Irene, the lady that was in court, she had a shop and she ran when I was going to court, and I made it a habit to start buying stuff from her every night.
That's kind of like the
it say a whole
Mississippi
lot.
thing.
Exactly, it's a southern feel. It say a whole lot. And down here I got my 2 dogs. Picture of me and my girl. This is my son room right here. It's hot back here.
It is.
He's full of games.
Uh-huh.
See, he is still a fan too, see?
He is still a fan. He learns well.
Got cars, he got a car bed, Winnie the Pooh, a piggy bank,
He's set up, man.
ball and stroller for my little next son that's coming, because Spanky didn't ride that too much.
Oh, he didn't? No?
You know, his
Do you have
room is kind of lavish. He's
So-
doing
so-
his little movies and things.
Oh,
He
yeah.
like movies too. Beethoven, Toy Story, Dumbo, and all that.
So your other sons do when in March?
He's doing March, yeah. Everything Spanky can't fit, he get. Hand me down, baby.
Do you have a name in mind for your next son, or have you talked about? You guys haven't really talked.
Nah, me and my woman kind of like about
Fight
that
it out.
name, yeah. She don't like what I like, and I ain't liking what she like. But it's gonna work out for the benefit of the better, though.
Cool.
Believe that.
Do you want to introduce everyone here?
Yeah, everybody just call in, man. It's my Uncle June boy right here.
Say hi to MTV. Snoop's uncle. For now, who you may remember from courthouse steps.
Exactly.
Yes.
Right.
Good to see you again.
How you doing, my man?
How you been? Yeah.
I've been fine, man.
You're living out here in LA now.
Right?
Yeah.
Or North Hollywood, really.
You're in Detroit, or at least you've been in Detroit for a while.
Right. Say 10 years, right?
All right. So it's good to be out back in
I'm
out
where I want to be, in the music business.
Yeah.
Yeah, right.
I want you to give me a quick review of the Dogfather album.
Man, it's
4 stars. You give it?
No, I give it 5, really.
5 stars?
Because
Okay.
it's something to Snoop, Daz, LT, Prees, and a lot of new producers did. You know, like I said. And, hey, it's fun.
Yeah.
It's different, man. Violins, horns, the whole nine.
Compares well to Doggy Style, you think?
I would say it's better than Doggy Style.
Yeah?
Because it's a variety, it's a different variety of music.
All right.
Yeah, something the old and young can listen to.
And he's objective too. He's only his father.
Right. Hey, but I'm giving it 5 thumbs up.
All right, man.
Right.
Thanks a lot. Good to
All right,
see
take
you.
care, man.
Appreciate it.
All right.
So Snoop, let me ask you about these awards. This is kind of like the award shelf up there on the mantle.
I got a couple of them here. Got some. My mama also has some in my other house too.
Do awards still mean much to you? I mean, you got so many now, more than you get.
Yeah, I mean, anytime you put a new album out, they mean something to you. You know what I'm saying? Because it's all about people respecting you and what you do, and you know, giving you accommodations for what you do by, you know, thinking that you high enough to receive an award.
So Snoop, tell me what room is this now?
This is the room, like my library, where I come in here and I like to listen to old school music, or listen to my music and check it and make sure it sounds good. I let Spanky come play a basketball game. What's up, Spanky? Come here, baby. Close the door. Close the door. Go close the door. This is the room where we come in, we just kick it and just be there ourselves. He just ain't used to all these cameras being around. But he usually know when I'm in here, that's when he like to come in here and get with me. What's up, baby?
Think he's tired?
Yeah, he might be tired. That's artwork somebody did for me. A lot of people just send me artwork and I keep it in here. Somebody, a fan, drew that for me. Somebody made this for me, a friend of mine, Super. He makes a lot of these for me. He gets pizza pen things and puts a lot of collages in them. That means a whole lot. And right here, that picture says a whole lot to me. That's why I got that. It's like a young black righteous brother walking through a gang-related neighborhood. He's not affected by it, but it's around him.
Something like this, when fans send you things, I mean, is there a room at Death Row they just collect all that stuff?
It usually comes, and if I come through there and I get it, and you know what I'm saying, I'll bring it home with me. Like that picture of me and Dre right there.
Right.
The fan drew that for us as well.
Wow.
I hung that up.
So this is like the whole Death Row.
It's the beginning, the first awards I ever got, first plaques I got from Death Row. And just a whole lot of combination of the building, the beginning of Death Row, how it all started.
Whatever
a lot
anyone says
missing.
about Death Row, there's a lot more to be written, I imagine, right?
Exactly. There's a
Yeah.
whole lot more.
We turn on the jukebox.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
So what, just like this is what from there, what he...
So what kind of stuff can be found in Snoop's jukebox?
Everything.
Everything.
Classic hip hop, classic R&B, jazz, blues, rock, hip hop, reggae.
Did you have one favorite CD you play more than any?
Yeah. But I play let me look in there. I play BB King a lot.
Okay.
And this too, Nate Dogg. Never leave me alone. I got this as a gift from Jimmy Iovine.
Really?
Yeah, he got this from me. One love. I sold a whole lot of records.
How are you with the guys at Interscope? Are they still?
And I got
cool?
love with everybody. I ain't got no problems with nobody.
Yeah.
Snoop Dogg is the most peaceful individual in the world right now, music-wise. And you'll hear that through my new album as well, you know what I'm saying? My new album is real calm and relaxed. Did y'all get a shot at the cover? I got a cover of it
Which
right
is
here.
not to say the gangster rap is
You
dead.
right, it's not. Check this out. The Dog Father. That's my job, to keep gangster rap all the way alive. From top to bottom, uncut. In stores now.
Alright, y'all. That was Snoop Dogg. Featuring Nate Dogg on House Tour back in 1996. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.